Great morning, students. Hope you are fine at your home. Now, today we are going to start our new chapter. That's name is Magnetic Effect of Electric Current. As we know very well, electricity is flow with the help of the charges that is flowing with respect to the time. So, charges are of two type, positive and negative. We have studied the charges in the last video or in the chapter 12, electricity. So now we will discuss, as we know very well, whenever we are passing electricity through any conductor, then it will behave like a magnet because it will generate the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Magnetic field, the region around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected is called as magnetic field. Magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using a magnetic compass that represents about the magnetic effect over there. Magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole, and in the internal linings there are the field generate that effect is going on. Now, what are the magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are the path around a magnet along which the north pole of a magnetic compass needle tend to move. The magnetic field lines are around a magnet can be observed by sprinkling iron filings around a magnet. It can also be observed by moving a magnet compass around a magnet. The magnetic field lines emerge at the north pole and merge at the south pole. And magnetic field lines are closer at the poles. The magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. These are the properties of the magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines हमेशा नॉर्थ से चलती हैं और साउथ पोल पर जाकर के मिलती हैं. Magnetic field lines हमेशा स्ट्रेट चलती हैं. They don't intersect with each other. Now, what are the magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor? As we know very well, whenever any conductor means that conducts the electric current through it, that produces the magnetic field around it. As you can see in picture, there is a production of the current takes place whenever we are going to pass electric current through it. Now, when the north pole has in the opposite of it, it would be south pole. Then the compass is near a current carrying conductor. The needle is deflected. This shows that conductor carrying current has a magnetic field around it. If the direction of the current is from the north to south, the deflection of the magnetic needle is towards the east. If the direction of the current is from south to north, then the deflection of the needle is towards the west. So this is called the current carrying conductor that applies the right hand thumb rule. Now we will discuss about the right hand thumb rule. The direction of the magnetic field around a conductor is given by right hand thumb rule. It states that if a current carrying conductor is held in the right hand such that the thumb point in the direction of the current, then the fingers wrapped around the conductor shows the direction of the magnetic field. Whenever any current is passed, जब भी हम कोई करंट पास करते हैं किसी भी कंडक्टर के अंदर से, तो वो अपने अराउंड से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को जनरेट करता है और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन से वो एक दूसरे को इफेक्ट करती हैं. नाउ वेन एवर एनी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट ड्यू टू द करंट थ्रू एनी सर्कुलर लूप, मीन्स when the current is flowing through any circular loop, then the circular loop, the magnetic field produced in the form of the concentric circle around the conductor towards the center of the arc of the circles becomes larger and appears to be straight line. देखिए, करंट हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन में फ्लो करता है. जैसे यदि हम करंट को फ्लो करवाना चाहते हैं तो आपको पता ही होगा कि जो करंट है जब वो फ्लो करेगा तो वो आपका क्या है, स्ट्रेट लाइन में फ़्लो करेगा. और जब हम उसको सर्कुलर लूप से पास करेंगे तो जो आपकी करंट है वो भी सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. ठीक है, बट जो उसके सर्कल्स बनेंगे they will be of only single center, so they will be in concentric manner. So this is a loop, you can say, where the electric current is going to be passed out from the conductor. So here the right hand thumb rule is applied on this process. where the current is going to pass in the just perpendicular to the magnetic field flowing through it. Now magnetic field due to the current in a solenoid. Solenoid is a type of the conductor which is rapidly showing the flowing of the current. As we know very well, circular coil of a wire is in the shape of the cylinder. When current flow through a solenoid, it behaves like a bar magnet. जब भी हम किसी सोलेनॉइड्स के अंदर से करंट पास करते हैं तो वो बार मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है. द एंड्स ऑफ द सोलेनॉइड बिहेव लाइक द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल ऑफ द मैग्नेट. द मैग्नेट फील्ड produced by solenoid is similar to the magnetic field produced by bar magnet. The strength of the magnetic field depends upon the strength of the current and number of the turns of the coil. में जितने नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स हम ज़्यादा करेंगे उतना ही आपकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, उतनी ही स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. सो यू कैन सी हेयर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट ओवर देयर. इट विल डिपेंड्स ऑन द फील्ड दैट इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस ओवर देयर. नाउ जितने नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स हम ज़्यादा करते हैं सोलेनॉइड में उतना ही करंट की फ्लो की टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा हो जाती है. एंड द करंट, यदि हम सोलेनॉइड के अंदर देखेंगे तो जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस हैं वो साउथ से नॉर्थ को फ्लो करेंगी, बट आउटसाइड में ये नॉर्थ से साउथ को फ्लो करती हैं. सो ऑल दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सोलेनॉइड करंट कैन कंडक्टर्स. एज वी नो वेरी वेल, इफ वी कैन सी हेयर द फोर्स इज अपोजिट डायरेक्शन टू द करंट. एज वी नो वेरी वेल कि जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है वो जनरेट होता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द करंट. इन द राइट हैंड थंब रूल वी हैव स्टडीड कि जो राइट हैंड थंब रूल है वो ये कहता है कि जो फोर्स है वो आपका जस्ट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट करता है. सो दे विल बी इंटरकनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर. नाउ N is the north pole here, south pole is S. So these are the basic terms that going to be current carrying conductors is there. Now when any conductor is going to carrying the current, then the magnetic field will generate here. Now in this video we have studied magnetic field lines, solenoids, conductor. All these terms we have discussed. Hope you have understand that and you will read it very carefully. So thank you and have a nice day, and read this chapter very carefully.